to our channel. Today we are going to discuss 8 to 10 topics related current affairs. The first point is methanol stream reforming and proton-exchange membrane fuel cells. As you know, fossil fuels are being phased out in many countries from transport and all other things. So fuel cells are very common topic. So let us discuss. Methanol stream reforming is a process used to produce hydrogen from methanol. Many of you know this. This hydrogen then can be used in various applications including fuel cells. So after we create hydrogen from methanol, then using it as a fuel cells. Recent advances in MSR focus on improving catalyst and reactor designs. So what will happen to catalyst and reactor designs? If we improve it, then we might save a lot of money and effort. Catalysts. Catalysts are crucial for the MSR process. Copper-based and noble metal-based catalysts are commonly used. Researchers are working on enhancing the stability and efficiency of these catalysts. For example, adding promoters like metal oxide, like magnesium oxide. Now, magnesium oxide has various uses. For example, it can be used as a refractory material. That means it can withstand a high temperatures in furnaces and cleans. Also, magnesium oxide also used in medical applications such as antacid and laxatives. And the next thing is cerium dioxide and zirconium dioxide, CEO2 and ZrO2. Now, these things is a mixed oxide compounding consists of cerium and zirconium. It is frequently used in catalytic converters in automobiles. Now, after the BS6 emission norms introduced in India, catalytic converters are a requirement in every automobile. What does they do? They convert the harmful emission gases into less harmful ones. And the combination of cerium dioxide and zirconium dioxide provides excellent thermal stability and oxygen storage capacity, make it very effective in these applications. Now comes to reactor design. Advanced reactors such as membrane reactors and micro reactors are being developed to increase hydrogen yield. So reactors will now create more hydrogens and reduce byproducts. These reactors offer advantages like shorter residence time and better heat management. Now next point is proton-exchange membrane fuel cells. Proton-exchange membrane fuel cells are a type of fuel cells that converts hydrogen into electricity with water as the only byproduct. So it's a very good thing. They are known for their high efficiency and low operating temperature. That's been 50 to 100 degrees Celsius. Some key points where PEMFs are applied. PEMFCs are used in various applications including transportation, that is electric vehicles, that's mean hydrogen fueled buses, stationary power generation and portable power devices. Recent advances in PEMFC technology focuses on improving the efficiency and durability of the cells. This includes developing better catalyst and optimizing the membrane electrode assembly. In summary, advances in MSR, catalyst and reactor designs aim to produce hydrogen more efficiently and cleanly, because hydrogen is another form of power supply, or maybe in very near future we might see the hydrogen powered bikes, or in place of petrol pumps we will see hydrogen pumps. I'm hopeful of that. That's why I'm making emphasis on this news. Now comes to economy news. Number 2, in a same continent, Japan and Singapore are following different economic policies. Japan raised their interest rate. When a country raises their interest rate, it means it want to suck the excess money in the economy and thus control the inflation. Japan's central bank, the Bank of Japan, recently raised interest rate to 0.5%, the highest level since 2008. This decision was driven by rising wages and inflations. The BOJ aims to achieve 2% inflation target and ensure economic stability. By gradually increasing interest rates, the BOJ hopes to control inflation without overheating the economy. Now, if you consider our India, RBI has been entrusted with making the inflation rate 4% plus minus 2% in band. So there, Japan is aiming for only 2% inflation. So there's a lot of things need to be done on Indian side to make sure that India has some better economic outputs. Now, Singapore's interest rate policy. On the other hand, Singapore's central bank, the Monetary Authority of Singapore, eased its monetary policy for the first time since 2020. The MAS manages monetary policy by targeting the exchange rate rather than interest rate. So, Monetary Authority of Singapore targeting the exchange rate between Singaporean dollar and US dollar. They are not targeting interest rates. They are not impacting economy as a whole. Definitely, exchange rate will impact the economy. The recent easing was done due to lower than expected inflation. In Singapore, they are experiencing lower inflation. That means that is also not good for economy. By reducing the slopes of policy band, the MAS aims to ensure medium-term price stability. Key difference is there. You can go through by pausing the video. I will not discuss here. Now, third point is subsea cable system. The first subsea cable system directly connecting Singapore to American West Coast has been granted a landing license by US, bolstering the city-state's push as Asia's leading digital hub. If Singapore gets connected to US mainland through subsea cable system, that means their internet speed going to go like rocket. It will be very fast, and various digital economy related things will work in Singapore very fast. But thing is that India is not directly connected to US as per my information. So under this news, I have collected few internet subsea cables which is operated from India and connecting to all other countries. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can remember them, as we can expect such news into our competitive examinations. Which country connects which cable system? Oh, I got 7 only, but if you find more than 7 or 8 to 10, you can collect it on your paper. These cables significantly enhance India's digital connectivity, but India is not connected to US. What I found on the internet. They are crucial for supporting countries' growing digital economy and ensuring robust international communities. Today is National Girl Child Day, celebrated every year on January 24. It is initiated in 2008 by Ministry of Women and Child Development to raise awareness about the inequalities faced by girls to promote their rights and well-being. Theme for 2025 is the empowering girls for a bright future. This is a very good thing, you should remember. And as girls are facing various key issues in India, you can expect a question in UPSC General Studies paper 1 in mains, like in Indian society and related questions. Now, point number 5 or topic number 5, over 1,000 LGBTQ couples registered their unions. Union means marriage. In Thailand this week, as the nation became first in Southeast Asia to legalize same-sex marriages. Well, this is also a matter of social issues and right to equality under Article 14 of Indian Constitution. I think this same question will not be asked, but they will convert it some other ways and they will ask it. Number 6, the National Cooperative Organics Limited was established to promote and market organic farm produce in India. It's a multi-state cooperative society registered under Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act 2002. As Home Minister in Indian Union Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah ji has mentioned in his one of the seminars that NCOL, the National Cooperative Organics Limited, was established to support the organic farmers. So this item, but this news piece has very chances to be in any news, in any examination papers. The main promoters of this board is NDDB, Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation Limited, National Agriculture, NAFED and NCCF and all some others. Now what they do? NCOL aims to provide direct market access to organic farmers and producers organization, ensuring better returns on their produce. They focus on aggregation, certification, testing, procurement, storage, processing, branding, labeling, packaging. That means if you are a farmer, you have no access to all the other branding, packaging, marketing things. So this multi-state society will help each and every farmer in this process of marketing, branding, packaging kind of thing. So farmers can concentrate on their farming, and all other rest will be taken care of by this authority. Very good. Then next point is Great Prophet 19. Vessels report radio challenges in Northern Gulf amid Iranian exercise. Says who? The United Kingdom Maritime Trade Operation says this. So this statement is about recent incidents in the Northern Gulf where vessels have reported receiving multiple VHF, that's mean very high frequency radio challenges, including demands to alter their course. That's mean ships are sailing through the Northern Gulf and they were instructed to alter their course by Iranian authorities, maybe, I'm not sure, to avoid any collision or any damages to the ships, or maybe some other reasons. This was said by United Kingdom Maritime Trade Operations, which monitors marine security in the region, mentioned that these challenges could be part of an ongoing Iranian military exercise called Great Prophet 19. So Great Prophet 19, this is a term available in international news. The UK MTO has advised seafarers that vessels near Iranian waters might experience such radio hailing. During this exercise, naval units from Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps were conducting operations in the Strait of Hormuz as part of this exercise. So Strait of Hormuz is in the news, so you should know which country is in east, west, south, north of the Strait of Hormuz. So that may be a question of world geography. Now next term is cosmic noon. Cosmic noon is something that high levels of radiation during a period of intense star formation in the Milky Way. So Milky Way galaxy, there were for time period where intense formation of stars were taken place, known as cosmic noon, may have hindered planet formation, as the time of intense star formation have hindered planet formation. How is it? During cosmic noon, the Milky Way experienced a burst of star formation, which, with many stars being born in a relatively short period. So stars need a long period of time to born, but in some cases they were premature, as I said. These newborn stars emitted powerful winds of radiation that could disrupt planet forming disks around them. So there is a star and there are some planet forming disks moving around the stars. So due to the high radiation, the disks were interrupted. The intense radiation could erode these disks within few 100,000 years, leaving fewer chances for planet to form. In simpler terms, the high radiation during this chaotic time made it difficult for planets to form around these stars, resulting in fewer planets compared to stars formed in less turbulent times. Now next topic is Rhino Bond. I heard James Bond, now it's Rhino Bond. Or definitely there are other bonds. The Rhino Bond is also known as the Wildlife Conservation Bond, is a unique financial instrument issued by World Bank and Global Environment Facility or GEF to support conservation efforts for the endangered black rhino in South Africa. This is very important and vital news. Previously we heard about bonds related to countries, governments. Now it's a bond related to conservation efforts of wildlife. Purpose of this bond: the Rhino Bond aims to increase the population of black rhinos in protected areas like Addo Elephant National Park and Great Fish River Nature Reserve. Structured, it's a 5-year, over $150 million sustainable development bond. Instead of traditional coupon payments, the bond funds conservation activities and investors receive a success payment if the rhino population grows. So after rhino population is growing, then the success payment received to whatever the things the bond is working. Funding the Global Environment Facility provides performance-based grants to support the bond. Impact the bond supports biodiversity conservation, creates conservation-related jobs and helps protect ecosystem. It's a groundbreaking approach to channel private investment into conservation efforts, leveraging financial markets to achieve environmental goals. So that's the end of this video, and I would like to inform you that if you find anything wrong or misinformation is in this video, please let us know by make a comment. And I would like to know if you want to get more other videos on topics, you can also let us know through comments. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.